Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to get shaders on Roblox. We will be using this link, bloxshade.com. Go ahead and follow this link and click on the download button. After downloading the file, you're going to open the zip folder. After extracting it, you're going to open the folder now, and then you're going to open the setup file. Right here, there are some instructions to follow. For example, you need to make sure that Roblox is closed. If Roblox is open, the installer will terminate the process before it begins. So we're going to click install to continue. So as you can see, we have it installed. You also have other community presets for shaders, which you can go ahead and install if you want. We're going to go ahead and click on next because we already have one. Then you can go ahead and uncheck these. If you don't want to, you could leave it as is. Click on finish. Then we're going to go over to Roblox to see the difference. Now on Roblox, we're going to pick any game. So now we're back in our game, and currently we're not seeing any difference, but in order to fix that, we're going to click on Alt F3 on our keyboard. And then it's going to bring up the game filter settings, and under styles we're going to click on 1, and then under filters we're going to click on the plus icon, and then we're going to scroll down to make a selection. We're going to choose Block Shade Ultra Shine No Blur, and now you can see the difference. This looks better, and we have our effect. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.